Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to my children. How are you all? I am Alhamdulillah fine. I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome back to your Islamiat class, and the topic is written over here getting up early. Yes, today we are going to learn about getting up early. Mean most of the children nowadays during Corona days and the students who has some mind set up that they are having online classes like you have an online school. You people always think that you have got a lot of time to sleep, but no, it's not a good habit. You have to change your habit towards it because getting up early has many benefits and it can give you more and more energy than we are getting up late. Nowadays it's Ramadan and most of us are sleeping after sahri and most of us are like sleeping for the whole day, but we are not doing like this. We are recording the lectures for you people so you can get up and watch the videos for your benefit. So here I am getting up early with the new topic. You have to open your books, Islamiat 2, page number 44. Let us start our reading. Then I will tell you the dua of sleeping and dua of waking up. You have learned two duas also. Along with that, you will be having what? Yes, you will be having the translation of those duas. So we will be doing dictation practice, dua reading, their translation, and the exercise of this chapter. Let us read. Islam teaches us the importance of time. All our prayers are at set times during the day and night. We get up early in the morning to say the Fajr prayers. The first thing we should do when we get up is to say the Kalma Taiba. Then we should say this dua. Alhamdulillahillazi ashhana ba'da amatana wa ilayhin nushur. This is the dua we have to get up and we have to say. The meaning of this dua is all praise to Allah who revived us to life after giving us death, and to him we shall return. Mean this dua is basically a thanking note to Allah Ta'ala that He has made us wake up with a good mood with all of the energies we are having. The best time to read the Quran is early morning. Angels bring Allah's blessings to those who get up early. This is the truth. Angels come to those who thinks about Allah, who talks about Allah, who gets up early. Okay, now all animals and birds get up early in the morning and praise Allah in their own way. If we get up early in the morning, we are ready to start the day well. We feel fresh all day long and we can learn our lessons well. It is the truth, children. By getting up early and sleeping on time, we remain healthy and feel good. There is a famous saying in English, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Dua before going to sleep. Allahumma bismika amutu wa akhya. O Allah, your name do I die and live. So, children, I'm going to tell you about the benefits that we should have to say Allah Ta'ala's name, Kalma Tayyiba, by getting up early. And the best benefit we get up early is that our mind is totally fresh and we can see the beauty of nature. We can see the sun rising. We can see the birds flying in the sky. But when we wake up late, everything has gone away. Nothing is there. It is sun up half. The sun is on our heads and we do not enjoy the day. So please try it that you have the benefit and you have the authority to see the beauty of nature. And what is the best time to read the Quran? It is the early morning because at that time angels bring blessings of Allah to us. And who got up early in the morning? All the birds and animals get up early in the morning and they praise Allah in their own way. There you have seen that we have listened the famous early to bed, early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So this was the proverb that has been made for some purpose that everyone should know that early to bed or early to rise is a very important thing that can give you energy. And if you will get up early in the morning, you will be fresh and you will learn your lessons well. I'm going to revise the duas of waking up and dua of sleeping. Alhamdulillahillazi أحيانا بعد بعدما أماتنا وإليه النشور. الحمد لله الذي بعدما أماتنا وإليه النشور. What does it mean? It means all praise to Allah who revived us the life after giving us death. Okay, so what is that dua? Alhamdulillahillazi atamana badama amatana walihin nushur. Okay, let me see if I am having something to show you. Yeah, I am having finally the great thing. Wait, I will show you. Like. Yes, this one is good. I am going to show you the dua. You will learn it and you will have to, I will tell you how to read it properly. You just need to learn its meaning. All praise to Allah. All praise to Allah who revived us to life after giving us death, and to Him we shall return. We should know about this, that Allah Ta'ala has given us the life. We should thank Him for the life He has given us. We should be thankful to Him that He has given us the courage and energy to make ourselves more able. Okay. Alhamdulillahillazi at'amana ahyana badama amatana wa alayhi nushur. So this is basically the dua of what? Tell me. It is a dua of after waking up. So importance of time and also punctuality. You should be very punctual about everything. It's not like that if you are sleeping and you have no tension that you are not going anywhere and you have to sleep for all day. That is a bad habit. Please change it if it is in you, because it will give you, you can say in future you will be having more problems if you will be behaving like this. So try to get up early in the morning, and yes, more importantly, try to offer your Fajr prayers. You know, Fajr prayer is a very important thing. Allah Ta'ala is very happy to that person who always offer Fajr prayers. And what is the dua going to sleep of? Allahumma bismika amutu wa akhya. Allahumma bismika amutu wa akhya. Allahumma bismika amutu wa akhya. Okay, so these are two duas you have to learn there. And what is the meaning of it? Oh Allah, in your name do I do and I live. Oh Allah, in your name I am going to show you something. I am going to show you a dua of you. Okay, so here it comes. I am going to share you a sound. This is dua. Alhamdulillahillazi أحيانا بعدما أماتنا وإليه النشور. All praise is for Allah who gave us life after He has caused us to die, and unto Him is the resurrection. Resurrection means that we shall return to Him. It is our duty to return to Him. Okay, so this is your dua when you wake up. Alhamdulillahillazi ahyana badama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. All praises for Allah who revived us to life after giving us death, and to Him we shall return. Okay, class, this is about your waking up dua. And now we are going to sleeping dua. Sleeping dua is Allahumma bismika mutu wa akhya. Yeah, I'm going to show you two things together now. Dua of waking up and dua of sleeping. So what is the dua? Allah alhamdulillahi lazi ahyana badama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. Okay. Let us start our activity of dictation. Okay. Let us do our activity of dictation. Importance. 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 Then Fajr. F-A-J-R. F-A-J-R. Fajr. Then blessings. B-L-E-S-S-I-N-G-S. 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 Okay, now praise. P-R-A-I-S-E. 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 Lessons. L-E-S-S-O-N-S. L-E-S-S-O-N-S. Famous. F-A-M-O-U-S. F-A-M-O-U-S. Okay. So these are the words, you have to underline them, and also you have to learn their spellings, because I want you to build up, I want your vocabulary should be built up nicely. Okay. Let us do the exercise on page number 46. As a good Muslim, what should you do after you get up in the morning? What should you do? You should recite Kalma Tayyiba. As a good Muslim, when you get up, you should recite Kalma Tayyiba. We should say Kalma Tayyiba. Okay? As a good Muslim, we should say Kalima Tayyiba. Why is getting up early a good habit? Give any two reasons. Angels bring Allah's blessings to those who get up early. Angels bring Allah's blessings to those who get up early. And what is the benefit? But this is the first benefit. Okay, the second benefit is, by getting up early and sleeping on time, we feel remain healthy and feel good. We feel fresh. We feel fresh all day long. Okay? We feel fresh all day long. If we will get up early in the morning, we feel fresh all day long. And why getting up early is a good habit? Because it will give us a, getting up early is a good habit because Allah angels bring Allah's blessings to those who get up early. This is the good habit for this. And we feel fresh all day long. And third one is, we can learn our lessons well. We can learn our lessons well. Our lessons well. These are the three things we can get when we start our day with Allah's name and when we wake up early in the morning. When are Fajr prayers offered? Fajr prayers are offered early in the morning. When are Fajr prayers offered? Fajr prayers offered early in the morning. Fajr prayers offered early in the morning. Fajr prayers offered early in the morning. Fajr prayers are offered early in the morning. So these are the three questions you are done with. We should say Kalma Tayyiba when we wake up. And why getting up early is a good habit? Because angels bring Allah's blessings to those who get up early. We feel fresh all day long, and we can learn our lessons well. When is Fajr prayer offered? Fajr prayers are offered early in the morning. So students, these are the duas you have to learn. Allahumma bismika wa mutu akshra is a sleeping dua, and Alhamdulillah hillazi akhyana ba'dama amatana wa alayhi nushur is the dua for waking up. By after saying La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, you should have to recite this dua as well. I hope you have understood this lecture well, and you have come to know about the benefits of getting up early. So please, my students, do practice this thing in your life and try to be very attentive and try to be very vigilant towards your waking up early. Take care of you. I'll be meeting you next class. Allah Hafiz.